Flower Mound is the ideal location for top-notch landscape lighting services. Our Flower Mound landscape lighting services offer a wide range of options, including pathway illumination and security lighting, to enhance the beauty and safety of your property. With our expertise in LED outdoor lights and energy-efficient lighting, we ensure that your outdoor spaces are both stunning and sustainable. For those seeking commercial outdoor lighting Flower Mound design in Flower Mound, our team provides custom lighting solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you require building facade lighting or parking lot lighting, our Flower Mound parking lot lighting solutions are designed to meet the highest standards of quality and efficiency. Our lighting installation services in Flower Mound guarantee a seamless and professional setup for all your lighting needs. Our Flower Mound lighting maintenance services ensure that your lighting systems remain in optimal condition. From lighting repairs to lighting upgrades, we offer a full range of services to keep your outdoor lighting functioning perfectly. Our Flower Mound lighting contractor services are renowned for their reliability and expertise in handling all types of commercial outdoor lighting Flower Mound projects. Accent lighting in Flower Mound is a popular choice for homeowners looking to highlight specific features of their landscape. Our motion sensor lighting Flower Mound solutions provide added security and convenience, while our floodlight installation services in Flower Mound ensure that your property is well lit and secure. Garden lighting Flower Mound. Texas options are perfect for creating a serene and inviting outdoor environment. Lighting retrofits in Flower Mound are an excellent way to upgrade your existing lighting systems to more energy-efficient options. Our custom lighting Flower Mound services allow you to personalize your outdoor lighting to suit your style and preferences. With lighting automation Flower Mound and Flower Mound lighting controls, you can easily manage and adjust your lighting systems for maximum efficiency and convenience. Wall-mounted lighting. Flower Mound options are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your property. Our spotlights installation Flower Mound services are ideal for highlighting architectural features or landscaping elements. For those in need of outdoor lighting consultation in Flower Mound, our experts provide valuable insights and recommendations to enhance your outdoor spaces. Security lighting Flower Mound Texas is essential for ensuring the safety of your property. Our LED lighting installation Flower Mound services offer energy-efficient solutions that reduce energy consumption while providing superior illumination. With our Flower Mound outdoor lighting consultation services, you can explore various lighting options and find the perfect fit for your needs. Our commercial outdoor lighting Flower Mound fixtures are designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable performance. Whether you need pathway lighting, Flower Mound Texas solutions, or building facade lighting Flower Mound, our team is equipped to handle all your lighting requirements. Lighting upgrades. Flower Mound Texas services are available to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your outdoor spaces. For those seeking lighting repair Flower Mound services, our skilled technicians are ready to address any issues promptly and efficiently. Our Flower Mound lighting contractor services are committed to delivering exceptional results for all your outdoor lighting projects.